Someone just lied to you in the last 24 hours and you completely missed it. Studies show we encounter deception 200 times per day, but most people only catch lies 54% of the time. In the next 6 minutes, I'll reveal the exact body language secrets that FBI behavioral analysts use to read anyone's hidden thoughts with 94% accuracy. These aren't internet myths. These are scientifically proven techniques from behavioral psychology research used by professionals who stake their careers on reading people correctly. Joe Navarro, a 25-year FBI veteran who caught spies and terrorists, developed these methods at Quantico. By the end of this video, you'll have an unfair advantage in every human interaction. Secret 1. Facial asymmetry detection. When someone lies, their face betrays them through asymmetry. Genuine emotions create symmetrical facial expressions. Both sides of the face move equally. But when someone fakes an emotion or lies, one side of their face often moves differently than the other. Watch for lopsided smiles, uneven eyebrow raises, or one-sided mouth movements. This happens because genuine emotions are controlled by both brain hemispheres, while fake expressions are controlled by only one. FBI agents use this to spot deception with 82% accuracy. Pause here and practice spotting asymmetry in your own mirror. Try a fake smile versus a real one. Secret 2. Micro-expression. Micro-expressions are involuntary facial expressions that last just 1 or 25th of a second. Faster than conscious thought can suppress them. Discovered by psychologist Paul Ekman, these brief emotional flashes reveal true feelings before our social masks kick in. Look for quick flashes of contempt around the mouth corners, brief eyebrow raises indicating surprise, or momentary lip compressions showing suppressed anger. The key is watching the face immediately after you ask a question. That split-second reaction tells you everything. Secret 3. Your feet are the most honest part of your body because they're controlled by the limbic brain, your survival center. FBI agents always watch suspects' feet because they instinctively point toward safety and away from danger. In conversations, if someone's feet suddenly shift away from you after a specific topic, their subconscious wants to escape that subject. During negotiations, guilty parties' feet point toward exits, while innocent people's feet point toward the interrogator. Next time you're in a meeting, watch whose feet point toward the speaker versus toward their phones or the door. Secret 4. Hands reveal stress levels through self-soothing behaviors that spike during deception. Watch for neck rubbing, face covering, or hair twisting. These are pacifying gestures that increase when someone feels threatened by your questions. The key timing is within 2 to 3 seconds of asking something important. If someone immediately touches their neck after you ask, "Where were you last night?" their limbic system just revealed discomfort with that question. Secret 5. Torso blocking. When people feel threatened or are lying, they instinctively protect their vital organs by turning their torso away, crossing arms, or placing objects as barriers. FBI agents watch for sudden ventral blocking after specific questions. If someone was open and facing you, then suddenly turns their body away after you mention a particular topic, their subconscious is protecting them from that threatening subject. Watch for this in your next difficult conversation. Notice when people's bodies close off. Secret 6. The voice carries stress markers that are nearly impossible to fake. Under pressure, vocal pitch naturally elevates as throat muscles tighten. Speaking pace either accelerates due to anxiety or slows down as the person carefully constructs their response. Listen for vocal hesitations, or unusual pauses that weren't present in their normal speech. These vocal changes occur because deception creates cognitive load that affects speech production. Secret 7. This separates amateurs from professionals. Establishing behavioral baselines before making judgments. Spend the first few minutes observing their normal state. Typical gestures, usual eye contact patterns, standard speaking pace. Only deviations from this baseline matter. Someone who naturally avoids eye contact isn't being deceptive. That's their normal behavior. But someone who usually maintains strong eye contact and suddenly starts looking away has shifted from their baseline. Never rely on single indicators. FBI agents look for clusters of at least 3 to 4 signals happening together within 2 to 3 seconds of perceived threat. The key is timing. These responses happen before conscious control kicks in. Practice by watching people's immediate reactions to your questions, not their delayed verbal responses. These techniques give you law enforcement level advantages in reading people. Use them to improve communication and protect yourself, not to manipulate or harm others. Even FBI agents follow strict ethical guidelines about when and how to apply these methods. You now have the same body language detection system used by federal agents to solve complex cases. Practice these observations daily, starting with low-stakes conversations to build your skills. Which secret will you try first? Drop a comment sharing your experience, and subscribe for more FBI-approved psychology techniques that give you an unfair advantage in reading human behavior.